this Arpha brand touchscreen keypad deadbolt with doorknob here. It's a smart lock, and I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and review on this. Set this whole thing up. Well, here's everything that came in the box, and I've kind of got them separated into a couple different piles. From here over is for the deadbolt, and then here it actually comes with the door handle as well. So that's the style of the door handle. It's got the kind of the rounded ends on it. Good looking door handle. There's a look at the case. Batteries are going to go in here. Here's some of the inner workings of it. Mounting screws, some hardware. It also comes with some mounting templates as well. And then, of course, the directions too. It also comes with a list of smart lock usage problems and solutions. All right, here's the door that this is going to be going on. And there's a quick look at the installation overview. Okay, on to this next step here. You can see there's an up side. It goes in just like that. And so we're going to go ahead and determine the thickness, the size of the door, and then you can convert it by switching it right here. It does say too, the deadbolt latch must be retracted during installation. You can see the markings right above my thumb there. It says 2 3/8 right there and 2 3/4 right there. So I've got it set to the 2 3/8, and I'll show you how that looks in the door. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this outside door too. You can see there's the up, and it's right in the center. That's what you want. The next step is to screw this thing in with these little screws right there. Okay, I've got that all installed. I'll go ahead and put the screws in there. I had to trim up some of these edges here just to make it fit. And there's the existing strike plate. I'm gonna leave that in there for now, but you can use the one with the kit if you want, or if you have an existing one, see if it'll work before you remove that. So I hate to create more holes if I don't need to. If this one will work, that'll be great. If not, I'll put the new one in. And there's the one that comes with the kit. Next, we're gonna install the exterior assembly. That's what this is. Okay, here's the outside of it, and I just pop that in there, and I'll show you what it looks like, and I'm being very careful. So I put that in there like that. This piece here goes underneath the latch. Next is to install this mounting plate here. Okay, got a couple of these H screws here, and they're actually gonna go right in here. But the first thing we need to do is put up that mounting plate, which is gonna go like this, right? And that piece is gonna go through there. The rubber is gonna go towards the door, and those screws are gonna go right through right there and into the latch. So you got two separate lengths here. I'm gonna use the two longer ones. There's the mounting plate installed with those screws, the cord coming through that little slot right there. Now we'll go ahead and connect it right there. And before I slap it up there, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because we're gonna install a couple screws right up there as well. Put that in the unlocked position, so that way it matches up there. Tuck that piece back up in there behind the base plate, and then push it in from there. Okay, there's those little screws that we're gonna use. Those little guys right there. Okay, there we go, the screws are installed. So we'll need 4 AA batteries too. Now we'll go ahead and install this one in the bottom. Oh, this is really cool. It's got a push button function as well. Watch this.
Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked.
You got the keypad all lit up here. Take that off. That is nice. Well, this is a really cool feature as well. Look at this. You can just slide this to the side for your key lock. All right, now to unlock it, we're going to test it out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unlock. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unlock. There we go.
Unlocked.
That's the default code. And we'll change the code too. Well, this is really nice. Check this out. Once you close it, automatically locks it. So go ahead and put this little rubber piece over that as well. There we go. Okay, if you want to turn this into a smart door lock, which it has the ability to do, you're going to want to download the Tuya Smart app, and it comes with a QR code, a whole bunch of different QR codes you can scan, and it'll take you there. I'm not going to use this with the smart option. I don't need it. I'm just going to use the passcode option, and so I'll go ahead and set my passcode. I'm going to leave it off the app, but just know that that's an option. It gives you all the instructions to go through and pair it up with your app. One of the nice things about making this smart door lock is it'll give you a whole record of when it got unlocked, who unlocked it. You know, you can see here, it'll give you an example. It shows, you know, hey, me unlock, and you can unlock it remotely if I hadn't mentioned that as well. You got password instructions too. All right, here's all the instructions for setting your password. So the default password for this administrator password is 123456. So just using that to get it unlocked right now. And the administrator password is different than the user password. So the user password gets set after you set the administrator password. And so then here's the directions for that. And that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Okay, after we've got this thing installed, the very first thing we want to do is press the reset button, which is right here. We're going to hold that down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Initialization succeeded. Lock direction setting succeeded. Locked.
There we go. It had to find the door there, so that step is done. You want to go through that whole thing. That allows this thing to find and feel where the plate is there, for instance. Now we're going to go ahead and set the administrator password. So what we're going to do is just short press the reset button. We're going to short press it, and there will be 2 short beeps on.
Add administrator. Please enter a new password.
There we go. I'm going to go ahead and enter a new password here. And I'll go ahead and, just for demo's sake, just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then unlock.
Please enter the new password again.
There's the new password again, as it gives on the
Added
prompts.
successfully. Number 000. Locked.
Okay, what I'm going to go ahead and do now is set the user password. So short press here.
Added user. Authentication administrator.
Now what we have to do is enter the administrator code. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we just set
Add
that.
administrator. Please enter your password or card.
Now we'll do the password. Okay.
Please enter the new password again.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Added
Unlock.
successfully.
There we
Number
go.
001.
Now I'll go ahead and install the doorknob that came in the kit. I'll go ahead and put this in here. The doorknob comes like this. Slide it apart. And we'll pull those screws out of there. After we got that in there, if you want to use this right here, you're going to have to carve those corners down a little bit. So I got a video on that, and I've shown that in the during the Deadbolt installation as well. These are the screws that you're going to want to use with it. I'll take this and slide it right through there. Okay, we got that doorknob on there. Then you just slide the other one right over it, just like that. Slide it up there, and then you line up the holes right there. And once you got the holes lined up, we'll put these 2 in there, through that and through there. Okay, there's the screws right there. Now we'll just take and sink them all the way in.
Locked.